Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Naio Nails. In this video I'm going to fill my nails and do a complete redesign. This is the hand that had the pink on, and I had the pink stones on it as well. I've slightly butchered that, little bit of cuticle, but yeah, a bit rough on my own hands. So, first of all, I'm going to prep with the dehydrator. I've already removed the surface shine. I've blended that acrylic in. We have got a video of me doing a fill. It's actually on this hand with my non-dominant hand. How clever am I? So I've used the Ultra Bond Acid Primer just on my natural nail. And I'm going to put natural beige on. So pushing from the centre out to that corner of the cuticle. And the same with this side. And drag it back down. Giving it a nice apex again. So laying that apex back in. So I'm going to do this on all of my fingers now. Got that thumb done out the way. You can see I'm tipping the finger down. Same as I would do if I was doing it on a client. And then I'm going to pull product down. Just needed a little bit more there. Same here. So it's easier to hold your hand in this position when you're doing your infills because the product is drawing away from the cuticle. So it's helping you. Oh, it's really stinging. It's really stinging, that cuticle area. Because I'm only joking. That's just for those people that thought, oh, I bet that's really stinging there. No, not at all. Right, so that's applied. So they're already looking better. We've got the apex now. They're not all flat anymore. I'm going to smooth these and give them a nice filing. Side walls nice and straight. I'll still go through that same filing routine as I do. So it's the same as if I was doing it on a client. I'm just pulling away the skin so I can try and not touch that as much. So get that cuticle area nice and flush. And I can blend that in. Right, I'm going to buff them now. I've filed. I don't need to buff too much. I'm just smoothing a little. And I don't need to buff too much because I'm putting gel polish on. So you want some demarcations there to grab hold of the gel polish. I am going to slightly soften the sharp edges. Going to wipe over with gel residue wipe off solution. And then we're going to use Carambola. What's a Carambola?
I got told it was a star fruit.
Oh.
That's what I've been told.
So, because I'm doing my own nails, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my thumb first. And then I will cure that. And I'm doing it that way round because I'm doing my own nails and I don't want to knock my thumb. Right, so I'm going to cure that. I'm going to do the second coat of colour as well, just so it's done and I can kind of forget about the thumb and carry on with my fingers. Right, so now I'm going to do my fingers, and I'll do one coat, cure the full lot, and then I'll do the second coat. Right, so now I've got my nice yellow nails. I'm going to take off the sticky layer because I'm going to show you something that's so awesome. It's a brand new product. I do love a new product. Gets me excited. So you'll leave a little bit of the colour, look, on your pad. Don't worry about that. It's just coming off with that sticky layer. Make sure you've got all that sticky layer off.
Could you also like top coat it?
Yeah, you could top coat it. I'm just trying to reduce the amount of layers that we're putting. So you could top coat it, then do this next step if you're not comfortable doing what I've just done. And then, this is the new product. It even says new on it. Foil glue. Do not try glue things with this. It will not work. It only works for foil. Don't like trying, I don't know, fix something in the house. Though we have done that with acrylic.
Just gonna.
It is a gel-based glue, and I'm going to put some onto some backing paper. And I'm going to get a long brush. Then with the long brush, I'm going to pull lines, really random. I want this to have like a bit of a spider gel feel. So it's going to have that spider gel look. Right, so I'm going to cure that. I'm going to use this gorgeous transfer foil with this cool pattern. I'm going to clean the silver side with some gel residue wipe-off solution. This will help it stick even better. That needs to evaporate. And then, now you can do it two ways. You can press it on. And so it'll give it a rub. And ta-da! Or you can do it this way. So I'm just going to clean that up. So I'm just using a little bit of gel residue wipe-off solution on a brush. You can use the corner of your lint-free pad. And then I'm going to top coat to seal that in. It's quite a quick design as well. Just jazzies a colour up. Makes it look really cool. Pop that in the lamp. So I'm going to repeat that on all my nails, making them all slightly different. So I'm just going to top coat all of them to seal in the transfer foil. I'm just going round with some gel residue wipe-off solution just to get anything off my skin that may have stuck. Ta-da!
You could do like a full set of French like that, couldn't you?
Yeah, we'll have some bit of playing going on. We'll play with loads of different things we can do with it. I like it, it's cool. And then I'm gonna put cuticle oil on to finish off. Quick and simple. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Everything that I've used today, obviously including the new product, the I was going to say glue foil. It's not called that, it's called foil glue. That will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out in the next video. Bye bye.
Carambola.
Carambola. Carambola. Carambola. Carambola. Bola. So I've already removed. Oh.